Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. So we are back again with yet another review video this time. So today we are going to review a Motorola product. It's a tablet. So we went ahead and we were looking out in the market what is the best tablet that you can get under the range of 20 to 25,000. So we had a short list. There were certain criteria that we looked into, that was product quality, whether the usability, the interface, and also we looked into the price segment. So keeping all, let us go ahead and see whether it's a value for product or not today. So today here we have the Motorola G70 tablet, guys. This is a 4G plus LTE variant tablet, guys. So let's go ahead and have a closer look into the Motorola G70 tablet and what are the things that we are getting inside the box. I have purchased this from Amazon. Stay tuned to the channel to know the price of this product. So let us quickly go ahead and unbox this and see what are the things that we are getting inside the box. So this is how the packaging looks like basically, guys. Nothing much. The Motorola branding over here. We can see some of the product information mentioned at the back. So let us open the seal first. The box quality is good. Okay, let us see what are the things that we are getting in. So this is basically the product. This is how the product looks like. Now first instance, here is the tablet, guys. Okay, some barcode. The tablet looks slim. It's slim, not that heavy, light, normal. It came in normal wrapping. Let me keep the tablet over here. Let us see what are the things that we are getting inside this. Okay, there's this pull-up box. So SIM ejection pin we have got over here, guys. Some literature, paperwork, user manuals and warranty card. Let us see what is there over here. Okay, this is a 20-watt charger, guys. So this product has quite a high battery capacity, so I think a fast charger or a 33-watt at least charger could have been provided. Charging adapter could have been provided. 20-watt is going to take time, around 3.5 to 4 hours for this to charge properly. So I think this is something that you guys can upgrade. So another USB-A to your Type-C cable. That's it. That is all that we have received in the box, guys. Okay, so here is the tab, guys, that you can see. This is a blue metalish color backdrop that you can see, and this has a rubbery texture over here. Here are the volume up and down buttons, guys. As you can see, these are quad speakers, 2 over here and 2 on this side. You don't have a USB you don't have a 3.3 jack. The USB charging port over here. Now let us quickly turn this tab on and go complete the setup, and after that I'll tell you about in detail the key features of this product. So here it is, guys. It's turning on. You can see it comes with the Motorola animation. Okay, guys, now talking about this tab. Okay, now this tab comes with 13 megapixel of camera. This has an inbuilt battery of 7700 mAh, guys, and this tab also comes with 2 batteries in it. Now talking about the display, guys, it's an 11-inch large display with supports 2K with 400 nits of brightness and a screen resolution of 2000 into 1200. Now this also supports Dolby Vision. At this price range, guys, no other tab comes with Dolby Vision support with 2K. Now this tab also supports face unlock, so you can look at the screen and your screen will get unlocked just like this. So you have screen lock, you have the option to go ahead and put in a password or a pin. Now coming in terms of the Android inbox, guys, out of the box this product comes with Android 11. You will be able to upgrade it to Android 12 as well. Now talking about the price point it's operating, guys, it's priced around 15,000. It varies between 14,000 to 15,000 at Amazon. Flipkart, the price is a bit high for this variant. Okay, so this comes with the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant, guys, and also this supports up to 1 TB of external memory card as well. So here is the memory card slot, guys. We will use a memory card in it as well. Now I have purchased the calling variant, so this supports 4G calls as well, 4G plus Volt and Volt LTE as well. Now coming into the connection and connectivity, guys, now this tablet of yours comes with Bluetooth enabled 5.1. it supports dual Wi-Fi band as well. Now talking about the camera, guys, this has a 13 megapixel camera over there and a front camera as well. Now it also supports full HD recording. So this is why, guys, I said even after so many months of this product being launched, why this is one of the best products below 20,000, one of the best apps that you can go for. The screen is a full HDR screen. The full supports up to 2K and it's a HDR screen. You will be able to watch Netflix and Amazon Prime on HD on this device. Now this is an 11-inch IPS TFT display panel, guys. So Motorola have been working well on it. Now let me give you a proper closer look of this. See the full brightness, 400 nits of brightness. It's really nice. I really like it. Now you have the normal features, you have a calling feature over here. Netflix is inbuilt, I can see. Now this is the new thing, guys, I have over here, which is the entertainment space, guys. Now in entertainment space you will be able to go ahead and get all your apps, OTT platform applications from YouTube, from Netflix, from Amazon Prime, everything at one place. So this product comes with a monster of a processor. This has inside it a MediaTek Helio G90T octa-core processor, which is good at this price range. Now talking about the additional features of this product, guys, this product comes with a special certification of TUV Heinlein certification, which minimize the reflections and will reduce the Blu-ray light reflection, which is harmful for your eyes. So this is a big addition to this product. And also, guys, this product comes with dual microphone array, which you can see over here. So the dual microphones array on these sides of it. This is also a very good feature, guys. Now in terms of frame rate, it supports 60 FPS frame rate as well. Now as you can see, guys, this is really a good product. Now let us quickly do a camera test to understand what is the actual performance of the camera. So as you can see, guys, that was a camera. You saw the pictures that was taken out from the camera. Now let us go ahead and play the sound so that you can hear how loud is this product, how loud is the quad speakers. Let me play a music over here on full volume and let's see how loud it is. Okay, this is the low, guys, and in terms of the sound quality, okay, it's quite loud, it's punchier. The quad speakers are really nice. Yeah, the bass is not bad. The bass capturing, the speakers are capturing the bass good. The treble is also balanced, not overpowering the bass. Yeah, overall I think it's a good sound out producing. It is producing a good sound output. Okay, so now comes the verdict. Even after a few months of launch of this product, should you go for this product or not? So out of 5, guys, in terms of camera, I'll give it a 3.5. In terms of the sound, guys, I will give it a score of 4.5. Now in terms of the processor and the lag and jitteriness, I'll give it a 4. In terms of price, I will give it a 4. And with the battery, they are giving you a 7700 mAh battery. They are giving you a charging adapter. They are also providing you with a USB cable. Yes, the stylus is missing. I will give it a 4 out of it. Now whether this is a value for money product or not, yes guys, I will give it a 4 from my end. You can go for this product. It is a proper full value for money product. You can go for it. So we have quickly just set up the tablet. So this is how you can see the tablet is looking like. You can get a closer view on the display quality. It is really nice. I like it. Now by now I hope you are enjoying the video. Do subscribe to our channel, Let's Review with Krish. And if you have already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video, you get notified. So with that guys, we come to the end of the video. So by now you have already looked into the camera test, the sound test, the performance. I've told you what are the key features of this product. So if you want ask me, yes, if someone wants to go for it and go for it at 14,000, this is going to be a good product guys. I think yes, if you get the 6GB variant, you should prefer that one over this, but if not, then get this 4GB and get at least a 25GB memory card. You will be good to go guys. Yes, so with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, Let's Review with Krish. So for more similar videos like this, do subscribe to our channel, Let's Review with Krish. Thank you guys.